You can, for the legend, because we said that you will create a set of items in a legend to refer to things rather than texting on them. So that for this line, for instance, you want to just show it in a tabulated legend rather than write on it. Unless you want to write on it, it's fine. But if it's too crowded, the legend might be a solution for you, so that you can create your legend similar to what I just showed. And you create it here. Once you create it, it will show up in the browser, project browser. If you do this, you'll see that the legend one is in there. And you can create whatever you want here, so that if I go to my annotation again and select the detail line, I can pick the sewage line and of course the other lines that are I have created, and it will create a legend line for me like that. And then I can come and text beside it and say this is my sewage line and so forth, so that you can come here and write what you want. And of course you can draft an edge or draft an outer lines for your legend, so that you can come here and make a detail line, and of course you pick the proper line and you create an edge like this, or you like creating a border for your legend. I'm picking that and insist on okay. And then you have the legend, and you can create whatever item you want to add in it like this. And for instance, beside the lines, you can also add a legend for what you have specified in your building, so that if you go to annotate as well, and in this drop down you get to the legend component, the legend component will open up a drop down menu for you like this that include all of the family that you uploaded in your project. So that if I, for instance, I want to take maybe the planting, I will look it up, and for instance, you have these, and you can copy it here and then write the description of it on the other edge or the other side of the table, and do the same thing for all of the items that you have for the site plan. After finishing this, it will be implemented as legend, and you can go to the sheet that has the site plan and then drag it to it, so that you have the sheet for the site plan, and you can get the legend and then drag it inside. It will show up as a legend in here for your building. So this should include all of the lines that are expressing the feeder for the building, and at the same time all of the element that is not shown to be, like you cannot put a landscape item and just do not annotate it. You have to annotate what is this. And of course, to be quite accurate, once you place a line of maybe palm trees or other trees, you have to specify the dimension between them, because landscape is not, it has to be designed. It's not just going to be scattered just without knowing where you plant these items. So it has to be referenced compared to each other and compared to the building, how far you set these planting in terms of the dimension of it compared to the. And of course, here I'm taking that plan, but you will do this similarly. You take the site and then drag it into another sheet that has all of these items in it. But the legend is going to be separate. The legend will be separated from it differently, and then you can put them side by side in the title block. Pay attention that the title block has to be numbered properly, and as we said, that the site plan will take the first numbers, and then after that, the plans will come for